Practice set 1.4. 1. Solve the following simultaneous equations. 1. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Solution. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. They can be written as 2 multiplied by 1 upon x minus 3 multiplied by 1 upon y is equal to 15. Equation 1. 8 multiplied by 1 upon x plus 5 multiplied by 1 upon y is equal to 77. Equation 2. Replacing 1 upon x by a and 1 upon y by b, we get 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Equation 3. And 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Equation 4. On solving these equations, we get a is equal to 9, b is equal to 1. But a is equal to 1 upon x, b is equal to 1 upon y. Therefore, 1 upon x is equal to 9. 1 upon y is equal to 1. Therefore, 9x is equal to 1. 1 is equal to y. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 9, y is equal to 1. Therefore, solution of the given equations is xy is equal to 1 upon 9, 1. 2. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Solution. Equation. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Can be written as 10 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y plus 2 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. Equation 1. 15 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Equation 2. Replacing 1 upon x plus y by m and 1 upon x minus y by n, we get 10m plus 2n is equal to 4. Equation 3. 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. Equation 4. On solving these equations, we get m is equal to 1 upon 5, n is equal to 1. But m is equal to 1 upon x plus y and n is equal to 1 upon x minus y. Therefore, 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. And 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, 5 is equal to x plus y. 1 is equal to x minus y. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 5. Equation 5. X minus y is equal to 1. Equation 6. Solving equation 5 and 6, we get x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Therefore, solution of the given equations is xy is equal to 3, 2. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Solution. Equations. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Can be written as 27 multiplied by 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 multiplied by 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Equation 1. 31 multiplied by 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 multiplied by 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Equation 2. Replacing 1 upon x minus 2 by a and 1 upon y plus 3 by b, we get 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. Equation 3. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Equation 4. On solving these equations, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. But a is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 and b is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. Therefore, 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to 2x minus 4 and y plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, 2x minus 4 is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 minus 3. Therefore, 2x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 2. Therefore, solution of the given equations is xy is equal to 5 upon 2 minus 2. 4. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Solution. Equations. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Can be written as 1 multiplied by 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 multiplied by 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. Equation 1. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Equation 2. Replacing 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n, we get m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. Equation 3. 1 upon 2m minus 1 upon 2n is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Equation 4. That is, m minus n is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Equation 5. Solving equation 3 and 5, we get m is equal to 1 upon 4, n is equal to 1 upon 2. But m is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and n is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation 6. And 3x minus y is equal to 2. Equation 7. Solving equations 6 and 7, we get x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Therefore, solution of the given equations is xy 1, 1. Let's learn. Application of simultaneous equations. Activity. There are some instructions given below. Frame the equations from the information and write them in the blank boxes shown by arrows. Solution. It is given that Sakshi's today's age is y and that of Sarthak's is x. Also, Sarthak's age is less by 8 than double the age of Sakshi. Therefore, x is equal to 2y minus 8. Here, the sum of present ages of Sarthak and Sakshi is 25. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 25. According to given condition 4 years ago, Sakshi's ages y minus 4 is equal to x minus 4 minus 3. Therefore, y minus 4 is equal to x minus 7. Therefore, x minus y is equal to minus 4 plus 7. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 3. 4 years ago, Sakshi's age was 3 years less than Sarthak's age at that time. Practice set 1.5. 1. Practice set 1.5. 1. Two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Solution. Let smaller number be y and greater number be x. Now, from first condition, x minus y is equal to 3. Equation 1. Now, from second condition, 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. Equation 2. Solve these two equations. Multiply equation 1 by 2. 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. Equation 3. Adding equation 3 and 2, we get 2x minus 2y is equal to 6 plus 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. 5x is equal to 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25 upon 5, which is equal to 5. Put x is equal to 5 in equation 1. X minus y is equal to 3. 5 minus y is equal to 3. Therefore, minus y is equal to 3 minus 5. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Therefore, greater number is 5 and smaller number is 2. Complete the following. Solution. Here, a rectangle is given. We know that opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Therefore, 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 4x minus y and 2y is equal to x plus 4. Therefore, 8 is equal to 4x minus 2x minus y minus y. Therefore, 8 is equal to 2x minus 2y. Therefore, 2x minus 2y is equal to 8. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 4. Equation 1. And x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Equation 2. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. X minus y is equal to 4 minus x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Changing signs, we get y is equal to 8. Putting y is equal to 8 in equation 1, we get x minus y is equal to 4. X minus 8 is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus 8. Therefore, x is equal to 12. Now, length of rectangle is 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 12 plus 8 plus 8, which is equal to 24 plus 16, which is equal to 40 units. And breadth of rectangle is 2y is equal to 2 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 16 units. Now, to find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 40 plus 16, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 56, which is equal to 112 units. Now, find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth, which is equal to 40 multiplied by 16, which is equal to 640 square units. Hence, x is equal to 12, y is equal to 8, perimeter is equal to 112 units, and area is equal to 640 square units. 3. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present ages. Solution. Let the present age of father be x years and son be y years. According to first condition, x plus 2y is equal to 70. Equation 1. According to second condition, 2x plus y is equal to 95. Equation 2. Solve these two equations to find the ages of father and son. Adding and subtracting equation 1 and 2, we get x plus 2y is equal to 70 plus 2x plus y is equal to 95. We get 3x plus 3y is equal to 165. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 55. Equation 3. X plus 2y is equal to 70. Minus 2x plus y is equal to 95. Changing signs, we get minus x plus y is equal to minus 25. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 25. Equation 4. Solving equations 3 and 4, Adding equations 3 and 4. X plus y is equal to 55 plus x minus y is equal to 25. We get 2x is equal to 80. Therefore, x is equal to 40. Put x is equal to 40 in equation 3. We get x plus y is equal to 55. Therefore, 40 plus y is equal to 55. Therefore, y is equal to 55 minus 40. Therefore, y is equal to 15. Hence, present age of father is 40 years and that of son is 15 years. 4. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. If both the numerator and the denominator are reduced by 6, find the fraction. Solution. Let x be the numerator of a fraction and y be the denominator of a fraction. From first condition, y is equal to 2x plus 4. Therefore, 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. Equation 1. According to second condition, y minus 6 is equal to 12 multiplied by x minus 6. Therefore, y minus 6 is equal to 12x minus 72. Therefore, 12x minus y is equal to minus 6 plus 72. Therefore, 12x minus y is equal to 66. Equation 2. Solve these two equations to find the fraction. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Therefore, 12x minus y is equal to 66. Minus 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. Changing signs, we get 10x is equal to 70. Therefore, x is equal to 70 upon 10. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. Therefore, 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, 2 multiplied by 7 minus y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 4 minus 14. Therefore, minus y is equal to minus 18. Therefore, y is equal to 18. Hence, the fraction is 7 upon 18. 5. Two types of boxes A, B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B, so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of box. Solution. Let the weight of box A is x kg and the weight of box B is y kg. Capacity of truck is 10 tons, that is 10,000 kg. According to first condition, 150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000. That is 15x plus 10y is equal to 1000. That is 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. Equation 1. From second situation, 260x plus 40y is equal to 10,000. That is 26x plus 4y is equal to 1000. That is 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. Equation 2. Solve equations 1 and 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. 13x plus 2y is equal to 500 minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. Changing sign, we get 10x is equal to 300. Therefore, x is equal to 300 upon 10. Therefore, x is equal to 30. Put x is equal to 30 in equation 1. Therefore, 3x plus 2y is equal to 200. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 30 plus 2y is equal to 200. Therefore, 90 plus 2y is equal to 200. Therefore, 2y is equal to 200 minus 90. Therefore, 2y is equal to 110. Therefore, y is equal to 55. Therefore, weight of box A is 30 kg and weight of box B is 55 kg. 6. Out of 1900 kilometers, Vishal travelled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed 60 kilometers per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 kilometers per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance Vishal travelled by bus. Solution. Distance travelled by bus is equal to x kilometers. Distance travelled by plane is equal to y kilometers. Therefore, according to first condition, x plus y is equal to 1900. Equation 1. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Time taken to travel x kilometers distance with speed 60 kilometers per hour is equal to x upon 60. Time taken to travel y kilometers distance with speed 700 kilometers per hour is equal to y upon 700. But total travel time is 5 hours. Therefore, x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to 5. Equation 2. Therefore, 700x plus 60y upon 42,000 is equal to 5. Therefore, 700x plus 60y is equal to 5 multiplied by 42,000. Therefore, 70x plus 6y is equal to 5 multiplied by 4,200. Therefore, 70x plus 6y is equal to 21,000. Therefore, 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500. Therefore, 35x plus 3 multiplied by 1,900 minus x is equal to 10,500. Therefore, 35x plus 5,700 minus 3x is equal to 10,500. Therefore, 32x is equal to 10,500 minus 5,700. 32x is equal to 4,800. Therefore, x is equal to 4,800 upon 32. Therefore, x is equal to 150. Therefore, y is equal to 1,900 minus 150 is equal to 1,750. Therefore, distance travelled by bus is equal to 150 kilometers. Problem set 1. 1. Choose correct alternative for each of the following questions. 1. To draw